The 2024 Mitsubishi Xforce, a new SUV designed for the Southeast Asian market, has been unveiled in Tokyo. This compact SUV is similar in size to the aging ASX and could potentially replace it in Australia. However, its introduction in Australia is uncertain due to different crash and emission standards, as the Xforce meets more lenient regulations in markets like Thailand. Mitsubishi plans to decide on the ASX replacement by the end of 2023, considering either an upgraded Xforce version meeting Australian standards or a rebadged model from the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi Alliance, possibly the Renault Captur. The 2024 Mitsubishi Xforce measures 4,390 mm in length, 1,810 mm in width, and 1,660 mm in height, with a 2,650 mm wheelbase. It is slightly longer and taller than the ASX, sharing the same width on a slightly shorter wheelbase. Powering the Xforce is a 1.5-liter four-cylinder petrol engine generating 77 kilowatts of power and 141 Newton-meters of torque, paired with a CVT automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. The interior features a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment screen, an 8.0-inch driver display, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Notably, there's ample cabin storage for 21 600 milliliters bottles, and the center console includes air conditioning for drink cooling. The 2024 Mitsubishi Xforce is designed with a focus on Southeast Asian markets and soft-roading capabilities. With 222 millimeters of ground clearance, it aligns with vehicles like the Subaru Crosstrek, and it boasts approach and departure angles of 21 and 30.5 degrees respectively. The existing ASX has been a significant part of Mitsubishi's Australian sales, but it's reaching the end of its life cycle. The challenge lies in replacing it with a suitable model, and Mitsubishi is considering both the Xforce and a rebadged Renault Captur as options. However, opting for the Captur presents challenges. Convincing Renault to produce sufficient volumes of the rebadged Captur in right-hand drive for the Australian market is a hurdle. Additionally, the Captur is positioned differently in terms of pricing and target audience. While Mitsubishi's newer models are moving upscale, the ASX's appeal lies in its value-oriented pricing.